goodness.
As we make our way downriver, it's a good time to let you know that you just stood before 600,000 gallons, or 2.3 million liters of water, pouring over the falls per second. That rush is what makes Niagara Falls one of the world's largest sources of clean hydroelectric power, providing up to 2.5 million kilowatts of electricity, and is one of the many reasons for our new all-electric boats. This leading-edge technology is being employed in this context in the United States for the very first time. No small feat in maritime transportation. The lithium-ion batteries are charged between every trip. Our shoreside charging system fully charges each boat in 7 minutes. Allowing the horizontal for 52 meters. It's other big picture. First, in 1901, was a school teacher named Henry Taylor.
Thank you. Thank you. We'll check it out.
Having fun. Take you through rapids up there, man. That's where you get all wet.
The aero car is suspended on 6 interlocking cables, 1 inch in diameter. We are powered by a 50 horsepower motor and a traveling speed of 8 kilometers. In the event of a power failure, we do have a diesel motor that will pull us back. We also have a rescue car that holds 4 passengers and 1 operator. But luckily, we've never had to use it except for our training purposes.
There's a trail that we can walk here.
It does not. We do not have a high enough budget for that. So if I could just have everybody's attention. Everybody on my right hand side, you are walking down towards me, behind me, and up to my left. Everybody on my left hand side, you are walking up, across, and down to my right. You can start walking when the car fully stops, which is now. You guys are going to walk all the way up.
Oh my God,
Oh, it'll be a
sweetheart.
once in a lifetime opportunity.
Yes, once in a lifetime.
spacesuit.
For those on my left looking at the whirlpool, you notice somebody is traveling in a counterclockwise